Artillery is a powerful force on the battlefield. Big guns launch big shells over long distances. Self-propelled artillery takes these guns and puts them on tracks. This gives them speed and mobility. They can move quickly with the rest of the army. Self-propelled artillery is a game changer. It can strike from unexpected positions. It can hit targets miles away. Then it can disappear just as quickly. This makes it a valuable asset to any military force. The United States Army has some of the best self-propelled artillery in the world. These systems are powerful and versatile. They have seen action in many conflicts. They continue to be a vital part of U.S. military might. The M109 Paladin is a mainstay of the U.S. Army. This 155 mm howitzer is a reliable workhorse. It can deliver devastating firepower with accuracy. The Paladin carries a crew of 6. It can fire a variety of rounds including high explosives and illumination rounds. It has a range of over 18 miles. The Paladin has been upgraded over the years. It features advanced communications and targeting systems. It is a critical component of U.S. armored and mechanized units. The M270 MLRS is a multiple launch rocket system. It is a true force multiplier on the battlefield. It can deliver a massive volume of fire in a short amount of time. The MLRS carries 12 rockets. These rockets can be fired individually or in rapid succession. They have a range of over 40 miles. The MLRS can use a variety of munitions. These include high explosives, cluster munitions, and guided missiles. This makes it a versatile weapon system. Section 4. HIMARS Lightning Strike from Afar. The M142. HIMARS is a highly mobile artillery system. It's lighter and more agile than the MLRS, allowing it to be deployed quickly to almost any location. The HIMARS carries 6 rockets and uses the same rocket pods as the MLRS. It can also fire the Army Tactical Missile System, or ATACMS, giving it a range of over 300 miles. The HIMARS is highly valued for its strategic and tactical flexibility. It can be transported by C-130 transport aircraft, allowing it to be rapidly deployed to hotspots around the world. Section 5. A symphony of destruction, the combined might of U.S. artillery. The Paladin, MLRS, and HIMARS represent a formidable trio. They provide the U.S. Army with unmatched artillery capabilities. Their combined firepower can shape battlefields and destroy enemy forces. These self-propelled systems demonstrate the evolution of modern warfare, combining devastating firepower with speed and precision. They are a testament to American military technology and a crucial element of U.S. strategic dominance.